Welcome back to From Stuck to Strong. If you've been gripping a mouse all day, holding a paintbrush at your hobby desk, or typing away for hours, you know exactly how tight your wrists, hands and forearms can get. That cramping, frozen feeling is your body asking for a break. Let's spend the next few minutes giving your hands some serious relief. First, let's put everything down. Drop the mouse. Step away from the keyboard, close the laptop lid, set down your brushes. Give yourself permission just to stop for a moment. Start by bringing your right thumb onto the inside of your left forearm, right near the ditch of the elbow. Open your left hand wide and now press firmly and rub your thumb in steady, slow circles into those muscles and tendons. Slowly work your way up the forearm. Rub the thumb down the forearm all the way to the wrist. And then do the same along the back of the arm. So take your time here. And then let's switch sides. So place your left thumb into the ditch of your right elbow and start those deep circular massages into the forearm. As you slide your thumb down from the elbow to the wrist, keeping the hand open as you massage into those tendons and feeling how the movement opens up the back of the forearm as you take the thumb over to the other side. So massaging right into those spots that get tightest from gripping. And now for some active mobility to bring blood flow and heat into the joints. Float your hands comfortably above the desk. Palms facing down. Open and close your hands into a fist as fast as you can. So really flash those fingers. Create some movement and heat into the hands. And then the palms face each other. Keep flashing the hands. Open and close, quick and sharp. Then palms face the ceiling. Keep it going, open and close. Feeling the forearms working. And then palms face away from you. One last push, opening and closing. And then relax. Bring your palms together in front of your chest in a prayer position. Press the palms and fingers firmly against each other. Gently raise your elbows, so keeping the base of your hands glued together. And you'll feel a deep stretch along the underside of the wrists, opening up the very areas that cramp up when we overuse our fingers. Holding here for a few deep breaths. Relax the shoulders down away from your ears, relax the face, and breathe into the belly. And now let's flip it over. So place the backs of your hands together, fingers point down towards the floor, press the backs of the hands together, and gently lower your elbows. Feel that counter stretch along the top of the wrists and breathe into it. Now let's release the thumbs. Take hold of your right thumb with your left hand, give it a few gentle circles to loosen the joint. And now gently pull that thumb down and inwards towards the palm, maybe finding a nice stretch across the outer hand. And switch sides. Take your left thumb with your right hand, circle it out, loosening it off. Then gently guide it down into the palm for a release. Hold here for a second or two. And then release. Next, we're going to do some targeted strengthening. We want to move the wrist through its full range of motion while keeping the rest of the arm perfectly still. Rest your right elbow onto the armrest or flat on your desk. Take your left hand and firmly grip your right forearm. This ensures the movement only comes from the wrist. Make a strong fist with your right hand and squeeze. Now draw the biggest, slowest circles you can going clockwise. Move through every edge of the circle. So we're working into the synovial fluid, lubricating the joint itself. A few big circles here, and then reverse the direction. Finding stillness, keep holding that forearm. Now for some flexion and extension. Pull your knuckles back towards you as far as they will go. Hold here for a moment. And then do the opposite. So press your knuckles down towards the table. Feeling that control in the arm. Then release and shake off the right hand. Let's switch arms. Rest your left elbow down. Take hold of your left forearm with the right hand. Squeeze your left hand into a firm fist. And then begin those wide, slow circles. And then change direction. Smooth and controlled circles. Find stillness in the center and pull the knuckles back towards you, opening up the wrist. And then flex the wrist downward, pointing the knuckles down towards the desk. And then release. It's time to shake everything off. Lift both hands up and shake them out as vigorously as you can. Shake, shake, shake. Get rid of all that stagnant energy and tension. Keep going for a few more seconds. And then stop abruptly. Immediately raise your hands in surrender, keeping them still. Feel that sudden rush as the fluid drains down from the arms. Enjoy that tingling sensation of fresh circulation. Gently lower your hands down into your lap. Relax your face and body, and if comfortable to do so, close off your eyes. Let's ground this physical release by calming the nervous system with a simple breathing pattern. We're going to inhale for a count of 4 and exhale for a count of 6. Start by emptying the lungs. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let go of the counting. Let your breath return to its natural, effortless rhythm. Bring your awareness directly into your wrists and your hands and the tip of your fingers. Just notice the sensations there. Maybe heat, tingling, or a newfound sense of space. Slowly bring your hands back in front of you. Gently open and close the fingers, noticing if they feel a little bit lighter, a bit more responsive. Take a couple of gentle circles in both directions with the wrists. And then finally, interlace your fingers and press your palms away from you, taking one last satisfying stretch into the inside of the wrists. And then release. So remember to give your hands and wrists a break every now and then throughout your day. Stand up and shake it off and give them a quick stretch. If you want to keep building this kind of functional balance and strength into your body, I run a live class every Wednesday here in Staines, designed to reset your posture and keep you moving well. Check out the details in the description, and I'll see you on the next one, where we'll continue to go from stuck to strong.